Ford vehicles from 2011 to 2023 may display a critical steering loss, stop safely warning message. This alert indicates a serious malfunction in the electronic power-assisted steering system that requires immediate attention. This warning affects multiple Ford models manufactured between 2011 and 2023. The most commonly affected vehicles include the F-150, Explorer, Edge, Escape, Fusion, Mustang, and Transit series. The Electronic Power-Assisted Steering System, or EPAS, uses an electric motor instead of traditional hydraulic assistance. The system consists of 5 key components working together to provide smooth steering control. There are 4 primary causes of EPAS system failures. Steering column module failure accounts for 40% of cases, followed by wiring harness problems at 25%, power supply issues at 20%, and software glitches at 15%. If you see this warning, don't panic. Manual steering is still possible, but requires more effort. Immediately reduce your speed, grip the steering wheel with both hands, and safely pull over. You can try turning the engine off and restarting it as a temporary fix. Now we'll walk through the systematic approach to diagnosing and fixing Ford's EPAS steering issues. This involves 3 key steps: diagnostic scanning, visual inspection, and electrical testing. First, connect a Ford IDS scanner or equivalent diagnostic tool to read trouble codes. The most common EHAS-related codes include P0C69, P0C6A, B1342, and B1343. Next, perform a visual inspection. Check the steering column wiring harness for damage, inspect all connectors for corrosion, and verify the EPAS fuse integrity, typically a 40-amp fuse. The third step is electrical testing. Check battery voltage. It should be 12.6 volts or higher. Test alternator output, which should read between 13.5 and 14.5 volts while running. Repair solutions depend on the root cause. Steering column module replacement costs $800 to $1,500, including parts and labor. Wiring harness repairs range from $200 to $600. Software updates are the most affordable at $100 to $200. Ford has issued technical service bulletins to address these issues. TSB 19-2085 covers intermittent EPAS warnings, while TSB 20-2056 provides software calibration updates. Many repairs are covered under extended warranty programs. Prevention is key to avoiding EPAS issues. Test your battery every 6 months. Keep software updated annually. Inspect electrical systems during routine maintenance, and avoid high-pressure car washes near the steering column area.